Welcome to our YouTube Shorts video on the science behind beautiful eyes, eye care secrets revealed. Today we will uncover some amazing secrets that will help you take care of your eyes and keep them looking beautiful. Secret number 1. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can lead to tired and puffy eyes. Make sure you get a good night's sleep to give your eyes the rest they need. Secret number 2. Protect your eyes from the sun. UV rays can damage your eyes and lead to vision problems. Wear sunglasses and a hat when you're out in the sun to shield your eyes from harmful rays. Secret number 3. Eat a healthy diet. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin C, and vitamin E are essential for maintaining good eye health. Include foods like fish, citrus fruits, and leafy greens in your diet to nourish your eyes. Secret number 4. Take regular breaks from screens. Staring at screens for long periods can strain your eyes and cause discomfort. Remember to take short breaks every 20 minutes and look away from the screen to give your eyes a rest. Secret number 5. Keep your eyes hydrated. Dry eyes can be uncomfortable and affect your vision. Use artificial tears or eye drops to keep your eyes moisturized and prevent dryness. Now that you know these eye care secrets, which one will you work on first? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching our video on the science behind beautiful eyes, eye care secrets revealed. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to keep your eyes healthy and beautiful.